Hello everyone and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how on your website, WordPress website that is, you can create shortened links such as you like the bit.ly. So if you've used bit.ly before, it's like that but uses your own domain name. So I'm going to quickly show you how it's done and then it'll make sense to you. So when you're on your website, you want to go to add new plugins and we want to add in one called Pretty Links. If you just search Pretty Links here and then press install now, and that's going to install it on. We do have a paid version and free version of this, but we only need the free version for what we're going to do. And then we're going to put activate. Now, what this is really good is for affiliate links, or if you've got Zoom links and things like that, such as for our membership, we have some links that people could go to, such as the Thrive Business Academy / a word, and that gives them direct access to all the Zooms that they go on to instead of having to put in the Zoom link. So now that we've got this installed, what we need to do is on the left-hand side now, you will see Pretty Links. So if we just click on that, and then click on here, we can add a new one in at the top. So we're just going to press add new. Now, what this is really good for is if you are doing something such as affiliates. So I want to create something where if someone goes to itmoon.co.uk /Thrivecart, it's actually going to give them the direct link to our Thrivecart URL for affiliates. So instead of giving them this big long link here, I want to be able to just go to people to say, look, I'd love you to use our affiliate link, go to itmoon.co.uk /Thrivecart. So if I just press update now on that, and it's just going to update the link for us. So we can see here, we've got this here. So now if I just copy this link, just going to go into a guest browser. So you can see I've put itmoon.co.uk /Thrivecart. And when I go to that, it's actually going to redirect me to the link that I put in. So this is a really good way of directing people to other websites, but keeping it branded underneath your own business. And it's free to use, and that's on WordPress websites. So if you did like this video and you enjoyed watching it, please make sure you subscribe over on our channel, leave us a like, leave us a comment, and of course, we will get more videos like this out to you.